My roll number is 1647. I am presenting in front of you the domestic presidency, and which the topic is given by me as to me, President as the head of the state. As it is short topic because the whole presidency is not that much contained, because already a few students already present the whole. But there is a little bit point which can I present in front of you as per the president as the head of the state. According to the topic, there are a few points I wrote on the board. Which one is the first one is ceremony. As when we talk about the head of the state, so first we talk about the ceremonial activities. The head of the state is always involved in the ceremonial activities which are led by the party of the from which he was become a president. He became a president, and all the other ceremonies which are led for those soldiers which are to be given medals or any other awards and rewards, or any other educational institution in which the president had to come and join the party for the giving rewards to the students on the basis of the degrees or any others. So one of the functions of president is to join the ceremonial parties. The second one is that he is allowed in a White House that to fulfill all the requirements or its comfort over the Washington DC. This house is called as White House, which is present in the Washington DC. Another point is legislation. Whenever there is to be made a law in the Constitution of the United States of America. So although if we talk about the written Constitution, there is no role of the president in the legislation. But as per the practical work, then there is a function of the presidents. Whenever they have to make a law, the last approval sign, which we have to approve this or ratify the law which are to be implemented in the country, is finally goes to the president, and the president ratify it. Whenever the president is not interested to ratify the law, he has a veto power to reject the bill. And so this is another point which we call it as a legislation. Another very important point that whenever there is making of law by the legislation, and the president sent proposal to them to make a law in such a way that make some amendment in the laws, whatever the proposal sent by the president to the legislation or the legislation committee or the department institution, so they have to focus on the proposal. They cannot reject that proposal because of we already some of our students already discussed that the president of the USA has much power as compared to the other throughout the world. It's maybe more than a king or king in the world. So on the basis of that, they cannot reject the bills. Although the Senate has the value to reject, need the ratification of 2/3 from the Senate. Whenever the president make a law or want to send a proposal for the making of a law to the legislation, they have the ability to ratify it from the Senate by 2/3 majority. But according to the tradition and according to the convention of the Senate, they never want to reject the law which are proposed by the president. So it's covered in the legislation.